In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Microsoft Word documents by hiding those pesky paragraph marks that often clutter the screen. If you've ever wondered how to achieve a cleaner and more focused workspace in Word, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and walk you through the simple steps to make your document appear tidy and much easier to read. First things first, you'll want to open up the Microsoft Word file that you need to tidy up. Take a moment to locate it on your computer and double-click to open the document. Once you're inside, you might notice the abundance of paragraph marks or pilcrows, as they are sometimes called, dotting your text. These marks can be helpful for formatting purposes, but might become a visual distraction when viewing or presenting your document. Now let's move forward and eliminate these distractions. Next, direct your attention to the top of your screen and find the File tab, which is usually located in the upper left corner of the Word window. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see a variety of options related to your document and program settings. We're interested in one specific choice here, so go ahead and click on Options. This will open up a new window called Word Options, giving you control over many aspects of the Word interface and behavior. Now that you have the Word Options window open, look for the section labeled Display. Once you click on Display, you'll see several options related to how your document is viewed on screen. What we're focusing on today is the section titled Always Show These Formatting Marks on the Screen. Under this header, you'll notice checkboxes for different formatting symbols, including paragraph marks. You'll find that the box next to paragraph marks is checked. This is why those marks are currently appearing throughout your document. To clean up your workspace, simply uncheck this box. By doing so, these marks will be hidden from view, providing a cleaner, more streamlined look to your text. It's that easy. This action doesn't delete any content. It merely hides the formatting symbols from your immediate view, allowing you to concentrate more on the content itself rather than the background clutter. And there you have it. You're all done. You should now have a neater, less crowded document display, making it easier to focus and work without the distraction of the additional formatting symbols. Remember, anytime you want to toggle these settings back on, you can always follow these steps and recheck the appropriate boxes. Thank you for joining me today, and happy writing.